Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and you might have remembered in a previous video I said I wanted to use this guy with this hand coming down on his head. I couldn't find a background, but then I saw this one and I thought that might be a good background for this guy. So it's going to be a good background for this guy. We're going to put the background down and see what we can come up with. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe today, and doing well. I hope you're having good weather. We're finally having some good weather. I want to go put out my hummingbird feeder today. We normally don't really get hummingbirds until May, but I thought, well, maybe I'm just putting my hummingbird feeder out too late, and I might get them earlier if I put them out earlier. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I think I want to come over all the way to the edge for this. Well, we're almost to the edge, let's put it that way. And we're going to put him here. And then I think just like that, so I don't have to put any fingers behind his head. So that's good. I'm just going to put him down. Gunky hair on my glue stick. Oh, I forgot I was going to use my other better glue stick. Oh well. I do want to use up. I still have 4 of these, so I want to... Oh! Did you see that? Oh, I ripped him. Darn it! I'm gabbing too much and not paying attention. Oh. He's the biggest head I've got. Alright. We're going to have to make do. I think it'll be okay. It looks like I need a little bit of glue over here. I'm going to use this one. I can't take it when I rip them up like that. That just drives me nuts. There, that's a better glue stick. Got him down. Let's hope I can do a better job of gluing on here without ripping up these beautiful fingernails. Being very careful. I think we're doing okay. Alright, now to get this placed perfectly is going to be the hard part. Let's see. Don't really want it over his eyes. But that's pretty good. She's oblivious to what's happening. Actually, he is too, I think. So there's that. I might possibly come up with something else to add to it, but for now, that's all we're going to have. Thanks so much for watching. If I do add to it, I will give you an update. Bye-bye, guys. Have a great day.